Good morning. Today is June 27th, 2021. I was leaving my house for playing pickleball. I saw a birdie on a tree in my yard. Good morning, birdie. It's a cloudy day, but good to play outdoors, not too much sunburn. When we play pickleball in court, mostly we don't know each other and we don't talk too much. We just get there and play together. So if you don't know the person, if you don't talk to him, is any way you can find out his personality, what kind of person? I would say yes. There are several ways to know the person, even no talking. Firstly, by his body language. You can observe his facial expression. If he likes smile, if he looks serious or stern or anxious, when win or lose a score, is he so cheerful or so frustrated that he can play his partner or applaud for his opponent? So firstly, you can know the person by his body language. Secondly, observe his or her dressing, that he dress so casual or so stylish or so play or so colorful, so unique, creative, or so sporty. That can tell a person's character, his taste too. Thirdly, observe how he treats someone new in court, especially treats a new beginner. Does he like to play with someone who has nothing to offer to him? Is he patient and caring, willing to coach a new one? What is his attitude to meet a new player? I'm not judging people, everyone is different. I'm saying even you don't talk to a person, you still can find out his character from his posture, his hand gesture, and his facial expression. Happy playing, happy to make friends. Okay, that's it for today. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.